In this video, I want to explain you the most simple way in which you can create content to start getting users for your software as a service. If you're a technical founder, if you're building apps on your own, probably you don't have much time to create content and to edit the videos and upload 1000 videos. But at the same time, creating content and doing marketing is completely necessary. It's 100% necessary because it's the only way in which you will be able to get users for your app. Of course, you can use all other strategies, but with content, your effort will compound and you will be able to start getting more and more and more traction. So I would recommend you to stay until the end of this video because we are going to cover something really important that can help you a lot to achieve this, to be able to get users by creating content and focusing at the same time on your app. If this is the first time that you are watching my videos, I'm Justo. I'm creating 12 apps in 1 year or until one of the app finally becomes successful. And I recently launched Kobo, an app that helps you create content that drives users to your software as a service. If you go to kobo.com, you will be able to find the app, and you will, once you enter, you will have a dashboard that looks something like this. On the first section, you will be able to see which content drives sign up and purchases in your application. Then you will be able to connect your YouTube and Twitter accounts to sync posts, and then you will be able to create tracking links to start measuring performance. Then you will get content recommendations based on the top performing posts, and then you will be able to generate content ideas, but not any type of ideas completely optimized for your business based on your target audience, the problem that you are solving, your competitors, and the top performing posts. Now, I believe before creating any type of content, the first thing that you need to know and to have very clear is the problem that you are solving and your audience. And finally, your hypothesis to solve that specific problem. I know that is something basic, but still there are a lot of people that don't pay attention to this or don't want to put the effort that it takes to clarifying the problem, clarifying the audience, and deciding how you will solve the problem. If you don't know the problem that you are solving, or you don't know which your target audience is, it will be very difficult to create content that resonates with the audience, because you will be able to resonate with the audience only if you understand how your audience thinks. So first of all, have very clear which the problem is and how the audience think. Once you did that, it's time to define the format, okay? And what I mean by format is if you want to create videos with AI, or if you want to create videos of yourself. Videos like this, the one that I'm creating right now. The one that I would recommend you to choose is videos of yourself. Those type of videos will generate way more trust than videos generated with AI, because videos generated with AI are a type of content that anyone can create. Okay, anyone can create a video with AI, and there are already thousands. But a video of yourself is something that no one will be able to copy, okay? At least on 100%. Now, the most powerful way in which you can create content is by using the psychological formula, okay? And it means creating 3 types of content mainly. First of all, content that shows vulnerability, okay? Because this creates empathy and it resonates with the audience. If you talk like a robot and you don't show your errors, it will be very difficult, okay? Because no one is perfect and people know that, so the content will not convert. I show my errors, okay? I show them on every single video, and that's the only way in which I can earn your trust. If I try to be perfect, it would never work. The second type of content is the one that creates authority, okay? Here's how I'm going to solve this specific problem, or this is how I went from point A to point B. Content that shows that you can do it. And if you don't have results yet, one thing that you can do is use the law of association. Show strategies from people that already made it, and that will you will be backed by those results, and you will be able to generate trust. And the third type of content is the one that closes the dopamine loop, okay? The outcome. It worked, it failed. What happened with the things that you were doing? Now, one of the most important things when you are creating content or you are creating a personal brand is to have a common enemy, okay? To polarized, okay? To retain an audience, you don't just need them to love you, you need them to hate what you hate, okay? You need a billion. And I don't have any problem on mentioning this, okay? My billion is not a specific problem, it's a concept, okay? Complexity. This is something that I mention on almost every single video. I try to keep things as simple as possible. Now, not the type, but the way in which you can create videos is in the following, okay? First of all, by filtering all the people that are not related to your target audience, okay? You need to filter out who you don't care about and hook your target. Then you need to agitate a problem. You need to somehow show your audience that they have the specific problem. Then you show the solution to the problem. For example, when I was creating BMark, I could have said things like, that's why I created an AI that analyzes real data to write copy that converts. It's not magic, it's statistics. And finally, you try to take people or to your landing page or to a valuable resource. You need a clear call to action at the end of the video. And since probably you don't have much time when you are creating an application, the way in which you can structure the content and using the 3 psychological triggers is by first of all building in public, okay? Show screenshots of code, real errors. That will generate trust and resonate with the audience. Then you need to show how you think, okay? That will generate emotional connection, okay? Fandom. And finally, the tool. That is not the same as sharing the process, okay? This is a different step. Once the product is finished, you show how your product solves a specific problem. Am I 100% real, okay? These are the things that I do. It's as simple as that. What did I do when the video started? I showed you Kobo, okay? The application that helps you create content that drives users to your software as a service. And why I'm creating this type of video? Because it's related to Go, okay? It's as simple as that. You don't need to overcomplicate this stuff. I hope this video helped you. If this helped you, you can subscribe, you can hit the like button that it only takes 2 seconds. And you help a lot this community to keep growing. If you need help with software as a service because you don't know where to start or you don't know how to build the minimum viable product, I will leave you a link on the comment section so you can book a one-on-one call with me and I will see if I can really help you. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you